So today is an exciting day for us here at CBS Bahamas because we are about to do a Christmas surprise for the students at Nash School. So at Nash, they have a club called the 3Ls Club, which is a club that basically centers around mentoring young women to make them better, stronger, and able to come into the world with confidence. And as a part of that club syllabus, they're actually participating in a whole gardening to do. And they came to CBS Bahamas asking us for sponsorship, and we decided, why not? It's such a great initiative, and it's something that we want to do, especially during this holiday season. So we're here today to surprise them. They have no idea that we have accepted their request, and so let's go inside.
Nash Junior High School, well, you probably know that Nash Junior High School is the best junior high school in the country. We boast of that. Everybody should know that, actually. Everybody knows that Nash is the junior high school to come to. Kids do very well. They've been top of national examination results for a number of years. That's something that we pride ourselves in. Our kids do very well academically, not only academically, but also athletically and whatever else we enter. It's a school of excellence, and that's why I'm so happy to be a part of this, of Nash and the culture of Nash that is all about excellence. Well, the 3Ls Club, that was a club started by one of our teachers who saw the need to help instill certain things within our girls while they're still at junior high level. It's sometimes the adage that you bend the tree while it's young, and so to get the positiveness in our girls while they're still at the junior high level was very important. And so one of our teachers, Miss Neely Bastian, she's a modern language Spanish teacher, saw the need to have such a club for girls. Oftentimes we forget about our girls and the support that our girls do need, and we tend to focus on our boys, at-risk boys, and leave our girls out. But she saw the need to work with girls, and she would have started the club. And very good support, or very good, should I say, very good involvement by our female students. They're oversubscribed. Actually, the club is oversubscribed because many of them want to be a part of it. And the things that happen within the club, dealing with self-esteem, entrepreneurship, hygiene, and the various things, the field trips, and different functions or activities that they have for the kids in the club.
Again, CBS for donating these items because we really want to let these girls know how much we want to become young ladies. And in becoming a young lady, you need to be able to be multifaceted in every capacity, whereas it's gardening, etiquette, your entrepreneurship, all of those things, you need to be well equipped. So I'm very grateful for these items, and we will definitely put it to work.